This short video is to demonstrate the use of Sintel Forms across a PC, tablet and smartphone. It's intended to show both the key features of the product and how the form appears on various devices. To start off with, we will take a look at this time off request form and how it appears on a PC. At the top of the form, a menu bar appears with a number of options. The Actions menu item allows the user to perform actions on the form, such as approving or rejecting it, and the options that appear here are customizable based on your own specific needs. There's an option to save the form, an option to close the form, and also an option to export to PDF. Let's try this one. Clicking on Export to PDF will generate a PDF version of the form that appears on screen. It's a carbon copy of what you see on the screen, and once it has been created and downloaded, you can save it for offline use or print it. As you can see, it's a carbon copy of the original form. The other items that appear on the menu include the conversations, the workflow, attachments, and item history. Conversations is a feature unique to Sintel Forms that allows people to message each other using Twitter-like functionality. It's particularly useful if you need to follow up with the submitter of a form requesting more details and avoids you having to reject a form and the user having to resubmit it if some information is missing. When you post a response using conversations, the person that you mention in the response will get an email containing the details of what you entered and also a link to the form. The next option is the workflow option. This allows you to see both the current status of a form and a full history of the workflow, allowing you to see how the status has changed over time and what actions were taken by whom and when. It also permits those who have been assigned tasks to complete them. In this particular case, this form's current status is submitted, and I have options to either approve it or reject it. If you choose to approve or reject, you can also force the user to enter in a comment, and that comment will be preserved in the workflow history pane. The next option is attachments. This allows you to add one or more files as attachments to a form. What makes this really useful is that if you attach images, the images will appear here with a preview, and also the attachments are obviously stored in context with the form. Finally, item history. When you click on this, will open up the version history of this particular list item behind this form, allowing you to see all the data that has changed and when it was changed. Now that we've covered the key features, let's take a look at how the form renders on various screen sizes. This is one of the key benefits of Sintel Forms in that it's designed to be completely responsive and work across all devices. If we reduce the size of the window, the form will dynamically resize, as you can see. If we take a look at a couple of other form templates that we have, such as this accident incident reporting form, and we attempt to resize it, you'll see that the entire form will get resized in order to accommodate the screen size. Again, you'll notice that all of the menu items still appear, and they're adjusted accordingly to fit the screen. Then we have a number of form templates to demonstrate here, such as the employee ideas, the permit to work, the sports and social membership form, timesheets, training curricula changes, and travel request form. All of these templates are available for free from our website on sintel.ie, and you can download them and use them with Sintel Forms, which is also free for up to 2 forms. I hope you found this video useful. It has covered the key features of Sintel Forms and also the responsive design, which means that Sintel Forms works well across all devices. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Visit our website www.sintel.ie.